What? Is that one Africa?
I know absolutely nothing about geography.
I don't even think I'll get through the first three.
Is the first one Peru?
Okay, that blue one, that's Peru, right? Argentina.
Yeah!
It's Argentina.
Argentina.
Okay, 1 on the board. Caden 1, Spanish 0.
What? Is that one Africa?
Nicaragua.
Bolivia.
Is Nicaragua.
Uruguay.
Bolivia.
The one with the B is Barcelona. Barcelona?
Bolivia.
Yeah, dude!
No way.
Brazil. That's Peru. That's Brazil. It's Brazil.
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 Russia.
I've never seen that in my entire life.
Texas.
It's not Chile.
Yeah, it's Chile.
It is Chile?
Yeah.
Oh. Yikes.
Chile.
Yeah, dude!
Ecuador. I was so confident.
I forgot all the countries in South America.
Colombia.
Yeah, that is Colombia.
Yes!
Colombia.
Yeah? You went there.
I went there.
Yeah.
Oh, Iceland.
Nicaragua.
Costa Rica.
Oh, really?
That looks like a beach towel. Costa Rica!
They smoke cigars there.
Cuba.
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 They smoke cigars.
Cuba.
Cigars.
Cuba.
I'm honestly lost on all of these.
Yeah. Dominican Republic.
It's not even a real thing.
Peru.
Dominican Republic. The word in English is equator. In Spanish, it's the same word.
That's the flag of the equator.
Fake Colombia.
Equator.
Ecuador.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what Ecuador means? Equator?
Oh, Ecuador.
Oh.
Blue, 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 blue.
Why is every single one blue?
Are any of these Spain?
Argentina, but vertical.
Venezuela.
Georgia.
It's Guatemala.
Dude. Not the same thing at all.
That one is super tricky.
No, it looks like Argentina, but like it got more sun.
Honduras.
I've no idea what that is.
Honduras.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Mexico! Mexico!
Mexico.
Mexico! Everyone got that one. Everyone got that one.
Come on, you know this one.
No, I don't. Honestly, it looks like Italy, but it's not.
They're right next to us.
I don't know.
Mexico.
Can I phone a friend?
Venezuela. Take it.
You said
Dude, I forgot that these countries are real.
Portugal.
Oh, what am I guessing?
Nicaragua.
Yeah.
Peru.
Tic-tac-toe.
What is it?
Panama.
Panama. Oh my god.
Panama.
Yeah, Panama.
Let's... Pangea. Panera.
Panama.
Panama. Panama! Mexican France.
Paramount.
These all look the same to me.
Paraguay.
Yeah.
Spain.
I think you should know this one.
I think I should too, but I don't.
Paloma.
That means dove. They have llamas.
Oh, Peru.
Peru?
Yeah.
I got one, guys!
Peru.
That's Peru?
Yeah.
This whole time I've been saying Peru and that's Peru?
Why do they all look similar?
This is like the United States. Kind of.
It's a rich port.
Puerto Rico.
Yeah.
Port Rich. That one's Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
They have a sun on their flag.
Lima.
That's the capital of Peru.
You're a capital.
It's not Paraguay, it's...
Uruguay.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, Uruguay.
Holy
España.
Oh. Canada.
Venezuela?
Yeah.
Venezuela!
Venezuela.
Yeah, Venezuela.
Like, comment, subscribe!
Hi, thank you so much for watching.
Like and subscribe my guy Nate.
Subscribe again.
Look for next week's video.
Alright, yeah, see, it's hard.